So I want to share with you guys today what I bring to my Qinghai and Tibet trip, especially on the gear side. So here we go. First, I love this pillow, neck pillow that I got as a gift from my friend. This is all from Muji, very soft. For this trip especially, or for my trips going forward, I actually bought this backpack from Adidas. It can house 15.5-inch laptop that I have, so I can actually edit the video while I'm on the go, hopefully. And of course, my Mavic Air is here with lens filter, spare propeller and so on. The second thing that I must bring is of course my Osmo Mobile 2, but in Zhiyun Smooth Q bag, battery packs and power cables, a selfie stick. Although right now I'm using mobile phone to take this with the Octo tripod. And I also bring TG5 camera as a spare camera. It is mainly for underwater, but why not? It's such a small camera. Here I bring all the spare SD card and thumb drive just in case I need to get pictures from my other friends. Voice recorder, which I probably wouldn't use too much unless it's super windy because it's actually so quiet in Qinghai. Qinghai has a population of apparently 5 million. Qinghai is such a huge area. It's apparently 7 times the size of South Korea.
Wow!
Actually smaller than Hong Kong population. Wow. You will see in my videos, you will just see a lot of wilderness with empty space with lots of sheep and cows. And also I brought a tripod. I'll see whether I'll use it or not, but I did have, spare place in my suitcase, so why not? Okay, so those were my gifts. And toilet roll. Baby soft. This is my China rough guide. I've been having it for I think 6-7 years, but I just brought it in case. But I'm actually finding a lot of stuff out on the go, asking the local people and also some other travelers who are fluent in English and Chinese, so they've been really helpful. There was this one British couple I think, and they've been super helpful to me already on the first day. And I've met Korean couple too, and they've been really helpful. So many people who have been to Tibet around me, they've been advising me, oh, you have to be careful about altitude sickness, you will eat a lot of stuff. There are so many things to eat in the western side of Tibet or like western side of Qinghai. And I'm also taking the train journey, so I bought a lot of like cup noodles, okay, and lots of snacks to share and also to eat as well. Though I think I ate a little bit of it while I'm in Hong Kong. Also some honey. I've been having sore throat in Hong Kong, so honey. In China, there are always hot water. Train station, bus station, airport. So it's always good to bring the vacuum flask. Oh, I want to tell you about just bringing a really nice Gore-Tex jacket with the down lining inside. It's so helpful. It's actually colder than what I expected. I think I'm pretty much gonna wear this every single day, but this is super handy. So yeah, these are my gears and some clothes in my suitcase.
Because I didn't edit the video during my holiday, so I'm really busy editing on the weekend. But next, and very soon, I'll take you guys to Qinghai Lake, which is the biggest lake in China. See you!